Vihiga. Let's now shift focus to matters health, where the country is currently grappling with a shortage of rotavirus vaccine that now leaves babies at risk of developing severe diarrhea. The vaccine administered to children orally at the age of 6 to 10 weeks respectively is currently out of stock, with some hospitals reporting a shortage of even up to 6 months. Gloria Milimu has the details.
And most children, if not all, are alive today simply because of the institution of routine childhood immunization. For thousands of babies in the country, however, the ongoing rotavirus vaccine shortage remains a threat to their well-being as the crucial vaccine shortage rages on. Most health facilities across the country are facing a shortage, leaving babies at risk of an attack from rotavirus. For instance, Kakamega County has experienced the shortage for 8 months now.
We have not been able to receive the vaccine since November 2021 to date, and provision of this vaccine is a national government function. We have reached out to them in regards to the same, and the ripple effect is that our babies that were born between November 2021 to date are not fully vaccinated as per the KP schedule of vaccination.
So we're changing from what we had traditionally to something that is different. So there is a little bit of an issue of that changeover, where we know the supply chains have been broken since the onset of COVID, and this is causing some delay or some lapse.
Vihiga County is also grappling with the shortage that has hit its third month. Other counties that have reported a shortage include Nakuru, that has not administered the vaccine in the past 6 months, and Baringo County, that exhausted its stock about a month ago. This is basically the situation across most hospitals in the country. However, health experts say it shouldn't be a cause for alarm.
The shortage has been there for the past 3 months, but I know it has been there for this period because the division is allowing the one in circulation to be depleted, so that when the multi-dose vial is introduced, we will be having a uniform reporting, a uniform administration, and a uniform system of how the vaccine is being administered to the children.
Rotavirus causes gastroenteritis, an infection of the intestines that causes fever, vomiting, and diarrhea, and in severe cases, it can lead to dehydration and eventually death.
Rotavirus only attacks children when the immune system is depleted. But once the rest of the vaccines are in circulation and the child receives the rest of the vaccine as per the schedule, the mother shouldn't worry, because the risks of the children getting attacked by the rotavirus are very minimal since the child has received the rest of the vaccines.
The rotavirus vaccine was introduced in the routine infant immunization program in Kenya in 2014. And since then, Kenya has been receiving financial support from partners who committed to support the country until it could manage most of the cost of the vaccine itself. But has that been the case since Kenya attained the low middle income status?
Things that we should do as a vaccine advocate is to ensure that we have some bit of control in terms of the way we have our vaccines funded. And the whole concept of a vaccine law or immunization law, ring fencing of monies that relate to immunizations. We've talked a lot about that for a very long period of time. I think it's about time that we actualize that.
In the meantime, as the country plans to roll out the new formulation, mothers whose babies are due for vaccination are advised to observe high standards of hygiene to protect their babies from rotavirus. Gloria Milimu, KTN News.
That story by Gloria Milimu.